guys, so I'm doing this video today because I subscribed to Waltlife for my son, and this is the first box that he's going to get. He did not want to do the unboxing, so I told him I would do it because I'm dying to see what he got this month. And you could do like for boy and a girl, and there's different prices, so you can decide how much you're getting every month. Alright, so let's do this together. So this is what's inside. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is so cute. He got a hat that is so cute. Here you go. And it's like a regular cap. And it doesn't have a price or nothing. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me put this on and keep sharing. So he got this cute Mickey socks. That's so cute. Those are mine. He just doesn't know it yet. And we have a visitor. Say hi, Misu. So the next thing that he got, it was this cute plushy goofy thingy majiggy, I don't know. It's called a Thompson. And he got this cute postcard that he can use. So cute. So he also got this cute keychain that I'm probably keeping, knowing him. He don't have no keys. And then he got a bookmark. Awesome. We're getting into books. He got this cute little pin, Mickey Mouse pin, and this instant wind chip. And so he got this tic-tac-toe little box to play with for now. And this, I don't know, could be a phone case, who knows. Magic bands. Oh, those are for the Disney magic bands. And so that is all for the unboxing of this month Waltlife subscription. I am going to show him what he got and see what he thinks. Anyways, I'll post pictures on Instagram. Thank you for watching this channel, and I'll see you next time.